ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোন ভাগ্যবান জীব গুরু কৃষ্ণ প্রসাদে পায় ভক্তিলতা বিজয়. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Mahaprabhu teaches this thing, Sanatana Goswami. Brahmanda bhamite kon bhagyavana jiva Guru Krishna prasade paay bhakti lata vijay. Undergoing lakhs of species of life, wandering in lakhs of brahmandas. If someone is fortunate jiva, he gets the seed of bhakti creeper by the mercy of Krishna and Guru. Do you understand? Do you follow Mr. Larry? He is fortunate jiva, he says. This is significant. This is most significant word. Fortunate. What is that fortune? What is that fortune? Do you know? This is not such fortune that I made President of the States, USA. Mr. Clinton. That is not such fortune. This is not fortune. People think I am very fortunate. I made today the President of the States, Mr. Clinton. Yeah, very fortunate. No, Baba, it's not such fortune. No, today I became Krishnadas. Today I met Gurudev. Today I completely surrender unto the lotus feet Guru and surrender unto lotus feet Krishna and become Krishnadas. This is fortune. Do you understand? It's not that I met Mr. Clinton. That's not fortune. This is fortune. Good. Do you understand? Yes, Bhagyavan. Because today I become Krishna Das, no more Maya Das. This Atmanivedan. That is, now I am in Krishna's world, no more Maya's world. Maya's world there is suffering, there is adversity, there is distress. But Krishna's world, no such thing is there. All rejoicing, all happiness, all blissfulness is Sachidanandamaya. This is new birth. I get new birth. Yes.